Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Audi A4 2009 headlight bulb. Start by opening the hood and locating the back of the headlight assembly, then remove the power connector by squeezing the clip and pulling gently. Clean the area of dirt to prevent contamination, wear gloves to avoid oil on the new bulb, and set the old bulb aside for proper disposal before installing the replacement. Begin by turning the steering wheel away from the side you will service to gain clearance. Remove any covers or components blocking access, such as the plastic engine cover or air intake pieces, using your tools carefully. Find the rubber or plastic dust cap at the rear of the headlight and twist or pull it off to expose the bulb and wiring connector. Take care not to force parts and risk breaking tabs or clips. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more quick car tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep that cabin fresh after hands-on jobs like headlight swaps. It's a simple pick-me-up that makes your ride feel cleaner. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling straight out. Then unclip or twist the old bulb free depending on its mount. Carefully remove the bulb and compare it to the replacement to ensure correct type and orientation. Wearing gloves, insert the new bulb without touching the glass, secure the clip or twist it until it seats, reconnect the wiring, and test the light before replacing any covers or reassembling components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.